Miro Tutorial for Beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about Miro and how you can use it. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now Miro is a online team collaboration tool where different team members can come and they make a map of a sort, like they make out a plan to better organize their workflow and all of that. So it's pretty amazing. So let me just show you how it works. So we're just simply going to go ahead and sign up, and the sign up process is very easy and free. So let me just show you. But before I do that, there is a pricing plan, however, so let's get that out of the way. So over here, as you can see, there are 4 plans: the free plan, the team, the business, and the enterprise. And the team one is available for $4 per month per member, and it is billed annually. So if you wanted to pay it monthly, just switch it to monthly, and you will see that from the team plan goes from $8 to $10, and the business plan goes from $16 to $20. So keep that in mind. So let's just switch it to annually and show you all of the features and stuff. So over here in the free plan, you can see you will have 3 editable boards, pre-made templates, core integration, and basic attention management. That's it, the basic stuff. No other purpose members can be added over here. But if you go with the team plan, you will have all the free features, plus you will have the unlimited editable boards, unlimited visitors, custom templates, projects, and private boards. And you will also can add 2 members as well. So 8 multiplied by 2, including you, that will be 3. So that's like 24. So 8 multiplied by 3, that's $24 per month that you will have to pay. And the business one is going to be $16 per month per user, and it will have all the team features, plus it will have unlimited gestures, Miro Smart diagramming, Miro Smart meeting, and a bunch of other stuff as well. And you can add up to 5 members in here as well. And then you have the enterprise. For that, you will have to contact the company for pricing, and you can see all of the features as you can see over here. So everything looks pretty amazing. And if you want to compare other features, you will see you have all the key features down below. As you can see, you can go ahead and pause this video right here and see all of them. And I'm just simply going to scroll down and show you the rest as well. So I believe you've already paused this video and seen it. Let's go ahead and scroll down over here, and you can see all of the other features as well. Like, it's pretty detailed. Like, there's a lot of features over here as well. As you can see, you can just simply pause this video and see it, or you can just simply come over to their own website on your own and see it. So everything is pretty simple. Let's go ahead and get started and get to the sign up process, and then move on with the main part of this video. So as I said before, the sign up process is very easy. Just enter in your name, your work email, and a password, and you're good to go. Or you can sign up with Google. Now I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google, and I'll catch you guys in a second. And then all you have to do is just set up your team. So they're basically going to ask you like 7 questions. And first one is, what set up your team? What's your team name? Just simply going to call it Team A or whatever. And this is going to be work. And the role I have is going to be team leader, if it has one, but I don't really care. I'll just say company management over here. And what describes you, I'll just be like team leader. And what's your company size? 2 to 50. If we use visual tools, I've never used them a lot. And how did you hear about Miro? I'll just say YouTube, and then just set it up. And then I can just copy this link and send it out to Slack or Gmail to my teammates, or I can just simply manually enter in their email address over here, and then just simply click on send invites. But I don't want to do that. You can do that later as well, but it's all up to you. So for now, but it's all up to you. So for now, I'm just simply going to go ahead and skip for now. And then over here, what do you want to do? So you have a bunch of different options like mapping and diagramming, strategy and planning, research and design, ideation and brainstorming, agile workflow, and meeting and workshop. So you're going to go ahead and try out these tools, or you can skip it and click on this button, try out the tool. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and try out the tool for myself. And this is how it looks like. So over here, this is going to be your canvas, right? Over here, you're basically going to be creating different templates. As you can see over here, you're going to be creating these boards, these maps, or whatever you want. You can go ahead and design these. You can go ahead and make a plan with your team. Different team members can come over here and they can all brainstorm different ideas, try to make a perfect workflow diagram or you know board that can help you take your teamwork to the next level. So over here, as you can see, we have some different templates that we can use. So what we'll do is we'll just simply pick these out and you can go ahead and start using it. So it all depends on you what you want to do with one of these templates or which template you want. Like it can be anything, like research and designs have their own templates, strategy and plannings have their own, and these are like the popular ones. These are their own, and they're also like community templates as well that are from the Miroverse. Now if you don't know what these are basically templates that are created by users of Miro. So these aren't pre-made templates. These are like templates that are created by different people who are using them in real life so that you can check them out. And it's really simple and really cool as well, which is why I like it. Now, as I said before, it all depends on what you want to do. For me, since I would be like project managing and managing the project, I would like the Kanban view. But for you, you can go with the mind map or the flow chart or the visual table or any other ones. But as I said before, it depends on you and what you like. For me, I like the Kanban view. So what we'll do is we'll click on preview to preview this template, and you will see over here how it looks like. So as you can see over here, this is how it's going to look like. Like you're going to have your blocks, and then within the block, you can add like tasks and whatnot and stuff like that, right? So you can go ahead and use a blank template or use a pre-fill template. It all depends on you. So let's go ahead and use a pre-fill template. And over here, this is how it looks like. I'm just finishing up this tutorial right here, that it was giving me. Okay, now that it's gone, we're good to go. So basically this is how it looks like you can increase the size of it or decrease the size of it as you see fit. Like if I wanted to like zoom out, then it's very hard to see. So what I'll do is I'll increase the size, or maybe like scroll up a little bit, and I can go with add column or add a row, or I can lock it. And if I click over here onto more options, I can have even more options, as you can see over here. Now on the left side, you will have all of your main tools, like your select tool. You will have your template option over here, text tool, then you have your stickers or sticky notes, and then you have your shapes, lines, and pen. And you will also have a comment section where you can go ahead and click over here, and then you will be like, okay, I wanted this to be changed. Click on over here, and then you can add like a comment on however you feel like it, right? It all depends on you. So, and then you will also have like grids or frames. You can add like a custom frame or A1 paper, letter 16 by 9. It all depends on you. You can even have like a phone, and then you have the upload button. You can upload this to your saved files, upload via URL or my devices or whatnot. And then if you click on these three arrows, you will have even more options over here. So as you can see, it's pretty simple and it's really cool. You can have a lot of fun with Miro, and you can create pretty cool templates with it as well. Now, for example, if you created this template, right? Like you've created this template, now what you want to do is you want this to be exported and maybe like added into another workflow, and you want other people's to view it. Then it's very simple. Simply come over here onto the top left corner. You will see you have some three options. You will have explore apps and integrations. You will have search, export this board, and then settings. What you can do is simply click on export this board, and you can save as PDF, save board as a template, download board backup, or export to spreadsheet, or embed or attach to Jira. Now Jira is also a project management tool that helps you manage all of your projects and your workflow. You can attach this board to Jira, or what you can do is you can go ahead and copy the embedded code right over here, and then you can go ahead and paste this board on a custom website or web page as well. You even have like a timer and a voting system and a presentation mode and all of that. So what this voting button will do is it'll like have a vote system, and of all the people are in favor of this board, they'll vote yes or no depending upon their answer. And it's a pretty cool and team building website where you can create a bunch of different options. So I really like it, and I think you will like it too if you want to create your own custom boards and workflow as well. So pretty much that's it. That is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.